how thick and nice that is, guys. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour it out in the jar that's over. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is one lovely punch right here, that's for sure. So guys, I'm gonna pour this out in this container and you see how thick and nice this is. So guys, look at this. Look how lovely this is, guys. So guys, I've added some ice to this and I'm just gonna crush it. So guys, this is very cool and nice right now. Yes, guys, look how rich and creamy and nice that is. Guys, if I did not tell you that this is plantain drink, I know you would not know. So look at how lovely this is. This one is cool and nice, as you can see. That is so lovely. So guys, look at this lovely plantain punch right here. Look at this, guys. This is some lovely plantain punch right here. And these are some coconut strips. So guys, you know this is nice all over. Look at how lovely this plantain punch. Lovely plantain punch, guys.